Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we would like to show you our gem among catamarans. This is a Lakestar 1300 party boat. The catamaran is ideal for organizing exclusive passenger cruises every day, and in the evenings it is a perfect place for special events such as birthdays, name days, hen and stag parties, or business meetings. The deck is made of 15mm thick waterproof plywood. Terrace railings made of 304 stainless steel up to a height of 1.04 meters. The walls and roof are a lightweight structure made entirely of composite panels with the option of filling the space with polyurethane foam. Model D hull made of polyethylene or aluminum floats. The frame is made of aluminum or steel profiles. The front double leaf sliding door is made of double glass in an aluminum frame. The side windows are made of tinted Plexiglas. The remaining doors are made of MDF. A catamaran made of high-quality materials with an elegant interior, equipped with an illuminated minibar, toilet, air conditioning, heating, and high-quality sound system with a subwoofer. A spacious deck and elegant sofas ensure comfort and convenience on board. Possible modifications for the customer. All equipment is in the description below the video. Sir, call me please if you want something more to know. Thanks for watching. We would appreciate your subscription. Take care. Bye-bye.